he's punching. 1, 2. I'm here. That's what I'm doing. Okay? And that. So this part, it's about the exercises to make the hands strong. The same on pushing hands. I want to have the grip. Okay, so go in and press on the trapezius. You know this point? Yeah. Okay? Go in and press. Then his body has to become soft. So, Anders. 1 from here. I cross, and this is getting in. And here I'm holding. And take him down. Okay? Try.